Do you dare to sit in this remote control? This Tesla has no radar, only 8 cameras. It says you can drive automatically without touching the trend, without stepping on the accelerator, and without being nervous. This is not an experiment, but a technological revolution that Elon is relying on all over the world. In this episode, I will dismantle the pure vision self-driving system. Is it the future of life or the ongoing adventure? Welcome to Watch Dr. AI channel. Our self-driving series has launched the 3rd episode. In the first episode, we explained how self-driving is compatible, AI, sensors, algorithms, from principles to applications. In the 2nd episode, we compared the technology-focused strategies and layouts of different companies such as Tesla, Waymo, and Baidu Apollo. If you have not watched the previous 2 episodes, you can click on the above 2 videos to watch them later. I put the links of the 2 videos in the description of this video. Welcome to click to watch them later. In this episode, we focus on the most controversial and revolutionary choice: abandoning radar and using only vision. Today we are going to answer 3 questions. First, Tesla doesn't use radar. Why are other companies using it? Aren't they afraid? Second, how does the so-called purely visual self-driving work? Can it really drive like a human? Third, how does this system actually perform on the road? Is it safe? Should we trust it? Traditional self-driving cars usually connect to laser radar, add cameras, ultrasound, etc., and then merge all the sensor data to make judgments. The advantage of doing this is safety, but it also means high cost, complex hardware, difficult maintenance, and difficult to mass produce. Tesla has chosen a human-like driving logic. What do people rely on to drive? Eyes and brains. Therefore, Tesla uses 8 cameras as eyes to capture image information in front and around. These images are instantly transmitted to the system and processed by the neural network model, just like humans use visual data to make judgments in the brain. Tesla's AI neural network can learn various complex situations from huge amounts of driving data, such as traffic flow changes, light recognition, and pedestrian behavior prediction, and continuously strengthen its decision-making ability. This process is called end-to-end learning, which is the whole process of learning from image input to driving action output. This system, called Tesla Vision, completely abandons radar because Elon Musk believes that vision is everything. So what are the benefits of doing so? First, the hardware cost is low. Without expensive radar, the car price is more affordable. Second, the architecture is simple and software-driven. Upgrades are done through OTA, over the air, and the car becomes smarter as it drives. Third, it is easier to expand globally. There is no need to build high-precision maps. Only vision and learning models can adapt to different roads and cultural rules. This is Tesla's thinking, using AI to learn from humans to achieve truly scalable self-driving technology. Theory aside, how does this pure vision system perform in practice? Here are 3 common scenarios you can see on the road. Test 1. Reverse cut-in. This simulates a car that was originally parked on the side of the road and suddenly reversed into the lane in front of the Tesla. The FSD system immediately detected the threat, slowed down smoothly, and stopped at a safe distance, successfully avoiding a collision. This shows Tesla's keen vision and quick reaction ability in the face of sudden actions. What's special is that in human driving, this kind of situation often causes a collision due to inadequate reaction. FSD can distinguish that this is not a normal driving line, but a sudden movement. Peaking. In this scenario, a car slowly peeks out from the side lane. Although it has not yet fully entered the road, FSD immediately notices it and slows down, remaining highly alert. This judgment not only relies on image recognition, but also shows that the system has the ability to predict potential risks. This scenario is very common in busy streets in urban areas, especially at intersections blocked by buildings. FSD does not rush in, but chooses to respond cautiously. Test 3. Left turn. Cut in. An oncoming vehicle suddenly turns left and cuts into the Tesla's path, which is one of the most common and dangerous scenarios at urban intersections. FSD can determine the speed and angle of the oncoming vehicle early, predict the dangerous point where the 2 vehicles may intersect, and immediately slow down and brake. This reaction shows that the system is not simply following the navigation route, but is continuously analyzing the behavior patterns of other vehicles. Even if the other party's actions are sudden and the turn signal is not turned on, FSD can still respond in time. Tesla's autopilot function is more convenient than you thought. Tesla Smart Summon is officially launched. Just finished shopping with a lot of things in your hands, and you still have to walk back to the parking lot? Now it's more convenient. You just need to open your phone and press a button. The vehicle will automatically back out of the parking space, detect road conditions, and plan the best route. It can see curves, pedestrians, and parking obstacles, and can avoid them all. There is no driver, no remote control joystick, only the camera and neural network on the car to make real-time judgments and navigation. You stand at the entrance of the mall, watching your Tesla approach step by step. At this moment, it is not just a car, but a personal driver who is punctual, non-complaining, and precise. This is Smart Summon. Tesla's autonomous driving is not just the future, it has come to take you home. Every Tesla on the road is a data source, and all road conditions and human intervention data will be anonymously transmitted back, making the entire neural network more and more like an experienced driver. This is the so-called fleet learning. The entire fleet learns together, making each car smarter and smarter. In addition to technical challenges, social acceptance is also an important factor in whether pure vision systems can be popularized. Many people intuitively associate no radar with danger and unreliability, which means that Tesla is not only doing technological innovation, but also challenging the driving culture of the entire society. Legal and regulatory issues are equally complex. Different countries have different certification standards for self-driving technology. Tesla must gradually lobby government agencies and establish data trust before FSD can truly travel unimpeded around the world. Of course, this technology also has its challenges. Vision can be affected by light, weather, stains, etc. AI models may make misjudgments when they are unfamiliar with the scene. But compared to radar systems, Tesla Vision's biggest advantage is that it can be optimized through software iterations, just like a mobile phone, which becomes more powerful with each update. From a global perspective, this technology, which does not rely on infrastructure and does not require high-precision maps, has a better chance of being implemented in developing countries and emerging markets. You don't need to pave the road first. As long as you have vision and AI, you can drive. Humans use their eyes and neural networks to drive, so it makes sense for machines to learn to drive using cameras and neural networks. Imagine that when this technology matures, an elderly person or a worker who works overtime until late at night will be able to return home safely because of such a system. Behind this is not just technological advancement, but also social progress. The same is true in our lives. We cannot always see the future, and it is impossible to have navigation guidance at every step. Sometimes we can only judge based on what we see. But some people believe that even if we cannot see the road ahead, there is a visible guide who is silently leading us in the right direction. Whether it is AI or life, the key is not how far you can see, but whether you are willing to believe, willing to learn, and willing to move forward. Today's content: what do you think of Tesla's pure vision system? Do you dare to sit in such a car and let it automatically take you to where you want to go? Please leave a message to tell me, and don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Dr. AI. I am your AI teacher, David. In the next episode, we will welcome the last episode of the autonomous driving series, which is also the most exciting one, taking you into Tesla's craziest future blueprint, Robotaxi driverless taxis, which will be on the road in Austin, Texas, USA as soon as possible. See you in the next video.